Hi, to reset settings on the Vivo V40 as a first step, let's unlock the phone and now we need to go in its settings. So here just scroll till you see the system tab and after that go in the reset options and here select to reset all settings. Just tap it and here you can see information about this process, so it will restore some feature settings to their defaults, including function switches, options, personalized settings, content field and during setup. So if you agree with that, just select the blue button. Here you would need to enter your PIN code, tap the arrow and after that just agree that this operation cannot be undone, so tap the button again and now it is restoring to their default, so we are simply waiting. And now the phone restarts, so it turned off and within a couple of seconds it will turn on again and we'll be able to use it as we would normally do. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.